$9,000, $12,000, $13,000 on the account. Guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to your initial deposits of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay guys, so first of all, let's open indicators. I would like to use Don'Shin channel. Let's set it. Give me some time please, and let's add an indicator. I'm going to set it also right now. Okay, it's done, so that's quite enough. As always, I'm using only short time period of just 1 minute, and I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade, so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Now I have opened the first buy position according to the Don'Shin channel indicator. As you can see, price has broken through the Don'Shin channel middle line, and we will highly likely continue growing right now towards the upper edge of it. Now we are receiving the pullback reaction from the middle line. However, as you can see, sellers don't have enough power and buyers are taking chance and price is growing. So let's see. I'm sure I am right. We have made the new high right now. Well, my friends, perfectly done. The first profitable trade of our trading session for today. Really nice. So, okay, let's change our investment to $280. We have the pullback reaction from the bottom line of the Don'Shin channel. We have invested $280 here. We opened buy position because price has reached the bottom line of the Don'Shin channel and we are receiving the pullback reaction from the zone. Everything is very simple in this trade. Perfectly done. We have around $600 on the account. A very good start. Okay, so let's change our investment to $555. We have open sell position. As you can see, price is giving us a pullback reaction from the upper edge of the Don'Shin channel. Now we are breaking through the middle line of the Don'Shin channel and price is continue dropping more and more. And yeah, my friends, as always, I was absolutely right. Just look at this impulse movement. What a nice drop. And we got our profit. We have around $1,000 in the account. Okay, so here we have opened buy position according to the Don'Shin channel bottom line that we have already touched. Now we are receiving the pullback reaction from that line and we are going to grow towards at least the middle line of the Don'Shin channel. Okay guys, it's done. Now let's check the next currency pair. Let's change our investment to $1,800. So here everything is very simple. Price has reached the middle line of the Don'Shin channel and after this we are going to receive pullback reaction and drop at least towards the bottom line of the Don'Shin channel. While I'm waiting for the results, my friend, don't forget to check the description to this video and see what I have here. I have a special link for my private TG in which you can get access to the whole information that will help you to become a professional trader. Daily trading signals, daily analytics, educational materials and much more. And the most important thing is that if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions just like this, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day at the scheduled time and get your cash daily. Do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Guys, so this trade was profitable one. We have around $3,500 on the account. Now let's open the next trade. Let's change our investment to $3,000. We have opened sell position, investing our $3,000. As you see, price has reached the middle line of the downtrend channel, and now we are receiving the pullback reaction from that line, and price is dropping towards at least the bottom line of the downtrend channel, or even lower if we break through it. Okay, my friends, just look at this. What a nice simple movement. Price has broken through the bottom line of the downtrend channel and continue growing. Oh, and continue dropping. Well, my friends, nicely done. Well, let's change our investment to $3,000 and open buy position according to the current market reaction. As you can see, we have touched the bottom line of the downtrend channel, and now price will highly likely continue growing, receiving the pullback reaction from the zone. At least we will grow towards the middle line of the downtrend channel, or even higher, towards the upper edge of it. Nicely done, guys. We have around 9,000 bucks. Oh shit. I did not pay much attention to the amount of my balance. $9,000. Oh, that's so fucking crazy. We did it and we are continuing. Let's change our investment to $3,000 once again. And open sell position here. As you can see, price has reached a strong level of resistance, which is the upper edge of the downtrend channel also. That's why we have additional confirmations that price will highly likely receive the pullback reaction from that zone and we will drop. So that's why I have opened sell position here. We have almost shown the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle. Now price will continue dropping, I am sure in that. Perfectly done, guys. $12,000 in my account. So shit, so crazy, my goodness. What a wonderful day I have today. Let's add one more trade and we will finish for today. Okay, let's change our investment to $1,500 and open sell positions. Quite risky trade, you know, because we expect the breakthrough of the downtrend channel bottom line. If we do this, then price will continue dropping significantly. If not, then we will anyway have around 10,000 bucks left on the account. And yep, guys, just look at this. Price has broken through the downtrend channel bottom line, and we have $13,000 on the account. 13,400. Oh shit, that's so crazy, my friends. We turned several dollars into 13,400 bucks. That's really nice and crazy, and that's what I love in binary options. If you wanna have the same results like me, everything is very simple. Open description to this video right now, subscribe to my private TG and be in my dream team. Thank you for your attention, my friends. Have a nice and profitable day. See you all, and bye bye.